Like I've been kicked, I've been punched, I've been bitten, all that kind of stuff.
Mark Wilkins is a former educational assistant who says he has seen various acts of violence in schools. It led to him and others taking precautions like wearing personal protective equipment. But while he faced the potential for violence at work, he says sometimes he had to take the bad with the good.
We're in it because we care for the children, we care about where they're going and our future and everything like that.
Wilkins' experience is one of many, and it is why unions representing education support workers want action, not only on the violence, but the shortages and lack of funding they say are contributing to it.
Due to shortages, it seems like they're moving from one fire to another.
COPE 527 President Susan Lusick says this means students are losing much needed help.
The student outbursts, acts of aggression, aren't the students' fault. It's because their needs are not being met.
Those needs include testing to help diagnose students, which can lead to more supports to help with behaviors and other issues. CUPE Local 3550 President Jorge Alanis says a lack of funding can mean overworked staff due to fewer workers in schools.
This is where we see those numbers increase of staff being alone with students, staff not being able to provide the services that mitigate the violence.
Both union presidents say violence ranges from verbal assaults to physical attacks and even members being sent to hospital. And it's why funding is key.
Funding is directly correlated to occupational health and safety.
When students have that extra help, Wilkins says it makes a difference, noting one student he worked with transformed after they got an EA focused on them.
His behaviors were lower. He seemed happier. He was laughing. He was joking.
A change advocates say could happen if the funding is made available. Sean Previl, Global News.